What is up guys, Dan this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to insert a table in Yahoo Mail. So let's get started. So first off, head over to Google or any browser you like. Then in the search bar, type in Yahoo. After that, click on the first official link of Yahoo and you will be redirected to the homepage of Yahoo. After that, just simply log in, or if you are new to Yahoo, just sign in with your email or you can create a new Yahoo email account. After that, you will be welcomed inside the Yahoo Mail, and here if you want to insert a table, on your left side click on draw up and then click below the subject, and after the cursor appears here, just simply make a table or just copy a recent table from MS Word. As you can see, this is my recent table from Microsoft Word and I have copied it. I'll just simply paste it here, and as you can see, I have inserted a table inside my Yahoo Mail. And now you can just type anything here and you can type the subject here, and after that to send, and after that you just need to write the email of the person that you want to send here, and then write the subject, and this is the content. Then click on to send, then it will send the email to the specified person that you have written email of. So that is how you can insert a table in Yahoo Mail. That was all for this video guys. Thank you everyone for watching.